Are you losing website leads because visitors can't easily contact you? Maybe your current form is a headache to set up, or perhaps you just haven't figured out the best way to add one to your Hostinger site yet. Well, you're in the right place. Discover how to quickly add a custom contact form to your Hostinger site today and really boost that engagement. This is going to be so much easier than you think. Alright, we'll walk you through every single click, from opening up the builder to customizing your form's fields and style. We'll make sure your contact point is absolutely perfect, helping you capture all those important inquiries. This isn't just about adding a form, it's about making sure it actually works for you. So the very first step, of course, is to jump into your Hostinger account and get to your website builder. You want to make sure you're working on the right project. Once you're logged in, just find the website you want to add the form to and click to open its editor. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your site. It might take a quick moment to load, but once you're in, you'll see your website exactly as your visitors do. Now that we're in the builder, we need to bring in some new content. Look for the Add Elements icon on the left-hand side of your screen. It usually looks like a plus sign or a small stack of blocks. Give that a click, and a panel will slide open showing you all the different things you can add to your page. From that Add Elements panel, you'll see a bunch of options like text, images, and buttons. What we're looking for specifically is Contact Form. You'll want to select this to create a dedicated section for your form. This helps keep your layout clean and makes it super easy for visitors to find. You can drag and drop it wherever it makes the most sense on your page, maybe near your About Us section or at the very bottom. Once your contact form is placed on your page, you'll see a basic version of it. To make it truly yours, click directly on the form itself. You'll then see an Edit Form button pop up. Go ahead and click that, and a whole new world of customization options will appear on your screen. With the form editor open, the first thing you'll want to check out is the General Settings. This is where you control the core behavior of your form. Think about what happens after someone hits Submit. Do they see a thank you message? Or maybe you want them redirected to another page? You can set all that up here, ensuring your visitors have a smooth experience. Next up, let's talk about the Field Settings. This is where you customize what information you're actually asking for. You can add new fields, delete ones you don't need, and even mark certain fields as required. So if you absolutely need their email, you can make sure they can't submit the form without it. This allows you to tailor the form perfectly to gather the right lead information. After you've got your fields just right, it's time to fine-tune the button settings. This is for the Submit button itself. You can change the text from Submit to something more engaging like Send My Message or Get a Quote. You can also adjust its color, size, and shape to make it stand out or perfectly match your website's branding. Now, to make your form really shine, dive into the Style settings. This is where you control the look and feel of the entire form. You can adjust the colors of the background, the text, the borders of the fields, and even the fonts. Making sure your form's style matches the rest of your website is key for a professional, cohesive look. To add a little extra polish and visual interest, head over to the Animation settings. Here, you can choose subtle effects that make your form appear on the page with a gentle fade or slide. It's a nice touch that can draw the eye without being distracting. Just remember, a little goes a long way with animations. Once you're happy with all your changes and everything looks exactly how you wanted, don't forget the most important step: click the Save button. You'll usually find this near the top right of your builder. This makes sure all your hard work is locked in and won't disappear. Finally, to make sure everything looks perfect and works flawlessly for your visitors, click on the Preview button. This will show you exactly what your website will look like to the public. It's always a good idea to test your new contact form in preview mode. Fill it out and make sure it sends you a message. And just like that, you've added a professional contact form to your Hostinger website. You've gone from potentially losing inquiries to having a seamless way for visitors to connect with you. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.